Hi, my name is Shreya Dhawal. I am a full-time corporate professional in the learning and development space. I've been in the working space for 13 years. And as a part of my work, I have been intensively involved in a lot of corporate training, coaching work. So I always feel that I've done a lot of coaching work, and with all good grace, it just kept going on very well. But at the back of my mind, I always knew about ICF, and I always felt that there is something more I have to do in terms of having a certification, a stamp, a presence in the global community as a coach. But it kept sitting at the back of my mind because the busyness of the work kept me going. And as they say, whenever is the right time, that's when things start falling in place. I did start, I mean, a few years back, I did approach the ICF process of getting a certified coach, but somehow things just didn't work out. I would reach out and I wouldn't get responses. And honestly, I felt it was a much larger than life process of becoming an ICF coach. At one point, I felt maybe, I'll just have to go through like this. And a few months back, I happened to intensively search, and then Cocoweave came into my search. I called them, and the kind of attention I received from them in terms of answering my queries, and I know Juhi did that, I've mentioned it to her many times, the way she answered my queries and the way she made me settle in terms of why ICF certification is important for me. I think that's the space I needed. That's the attention I needed. Cocoweave did that for me. From then, I happened to attend Honeygutt's webinar, which was I think the dripping point for me to just get into it. This was to happen in Delhi, and I am based out of Bangalore, but I just felt the urge to visit Delhi because my parents also live here, and I just feel that the cosmos sort of inclined for me to say yes and to come here. When I attended Honey's webinar, I just saw that aura in the way she addressed this entire process to us. I think that's how I just got the nudge to come here, do the program. Before walking into the 5 days of program, I was sure that, I've done this work, and now I need some more structure, some processes. And after I go back, I think I'll be more empowered and enabled to do this business of coaching. But experiencing Honey's presence in these sessions and what she created for me, and I can say that for all of us, was much beyond the insights of the process and the structure, which was anyway there. But I think what she helped us all do is allow herself to exist. And as a result, we happened to exist. We created bonds, we did inner work, we opened up, we were vulnerable, we became secure, we became confident about ourselves. So that entire process of exploring myself is immeasurable. So even though I have the processes and everything in place today through this certification, but the inner work that I should have done is what this program has given me. So now I'm sure that I'm on the path of becoming a coach. I sincerely want to thank Cocoweave and Honey for all the amazing work that you all do. And this is my time to contribute to the coaching fraternity back. Thank you so much.